Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Susha. Today I come up with a nutritious recipe that is quail stir fry. Quail is a medium-sized bird and has dense nutritious value. Around 100 grams of quail has 28.5 grams of protein. It also contains many types of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins like A, B, C, D, E, and K. Minerals like potassium, magnesium, zinc, iron, etc. In Malayalam, there is a saying that is Ayiram Kozhikku Arakkada. That means 1,000 number of chicken is equal to half number of quail. Then you can imagine the nutritious value of this small bird. Even quail egg is very nutritious and it is very good for kids. Let's see how I made it. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and tap the bell icon for future notification. Here I used 250 grams of quail that I cleaned and dried it with a kitchen towel. Make small slit on each side. Add little amount of salt, pepper powder, squeeze half lemon. Mix everything together and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, that is gingerly oil. Into this add 1 cinnamon, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves. Adding 50 grams of chopped shallots, that is small onions. This is around 10 shallots. One green chilli sliced, 1 red chilli and some curry leaves. Saute this until the shallots turn to slightly golden brown. Add required amount of salt. Add half inch ginger crushed, that is around 5 grams, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, that is 10 grams, and saute it until raw smell is gone. Now add 1 large onion finely chopped, that is around 110 grams, and this also should come to a golden brown color. It is browned well. Now I am adding 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, that is 30 grams. I am going to cook the tomato until it comes to a soft texture. Add little water. There is no exact amount of water which we are going to add. Add little by little whenever necessary. The thing is, you have to make the tomato soft. Cover it and cook for around 10 minutes. Everything is well cooked. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder. After adding each masala, just give it a mix. Last, I am adding a crushed masala, that is 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. I crushed and made a fine powder. This curry is little spicy. If you want, you can adjust the spiciness. Add little water to deglaze the pan. Now add the marinated quill one by one. Mix properly and coat the masala all around. Add around 1 cup of water, cover it and cook until done. It may take around 10 to 15 minutes. See, the water is reduced and the gravy started to thick. Now, don't cover the pan. Allow the water to evaporate properly so that we get a properly dried quill fry. At this time, you check the salt also. Curry is ready now. Turn off the flame and transfer this into a serving plate. Do try this and let me know how it is. Thanks for watching. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.